A warm welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for watching my videos, for liking the videos, writing in your comments and your suggestions. Today, we are going to talk about nakshatras. In the nakshatras, we are going to take up Mula Nakshatra. Mula Nakshatra is said to be a ferocious nakshatra, but it is a highly spiritual nakshatra which makes you aware of your own worth. When we talk of the word Mool, what does that mean? What does that signify in Sanskrit? In direct translation, it means the ground, the origin, the original value, the basic, so many words. The origin is the one that fits it's the most, and the second one is its worth or its value. The origin is very important because once we know our origin, once we know where we come from, it's easy for us to move ahead. A tree which knows a leaf which it knows its roots is easy to grow and prosper. Similarly, the worth. When a person knows his or her worth, realizes its effect, realizes what they can do, in that case, for the person to reach great stellar heights is something that doesn't need much of an effort, because you know what is the quality you possess, you know what you have within you, and then you continuously work in that direction to reach the great position. So this is very important for us to realize and understand what exactly is the worth that the person has, and to where does that person come from, what is the source, what is the origin. We can have any planet there. We can have the ascendant, we can have the moon, we can have sun, mercury, mars, jupiter, venus, saturn, for that matter rahu and ketu. If ketu is sitting there, it makes the nakshatra all the more strong, because any planet in its own house, any planet in its own nakshatra fortifies the nakshatra, fortifies the house, and thus gives a lot of power to that planet and that nakshatra. So as we move ahead with our examples, let us see what the qualities of the Mula Nakshatra is. Mula Nakshatra, one of the quality of Mula Nakshatra, as we'll be just working on one quality of the nakshatra, is that it will give the person great amount of prosperity and the ability to achieve in their field whatever they wish for, provided they know their own worth and provided they are always attached to their roots. So in this context, I take three charts. The first chart that I take off is of Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani has been was an Indian entrepreneur who, like all the fabled stories that we listen to, his story is that from rags to riches, and he made it up there big time and big in capitals. So the thing that we see here is that his ascendant is in Mula Nakshatra, and as well as his son, both of them are in Mula Nakshatra. Now, coming from a very humble background, he realized that he wanted to earn a lot, to make himself a stellar personality, and he wanted to, his second lord being in the second house, his one of the objectives for him was to make sure that his family had in plentiful. So he did it for his family, and he did it for that name and fame, because sun is the ninth lord sitting in the lagna. So for that name and fame, that he had an intense desire, and coming from a family which was very accountancy based, and they knew how to do accounts, and they knew how to do business, knew about business. He knew that that was his forte, and he moved ahead with that. And we see that he made a name for himself. The ninth lord gave him the luck, because it also gave him the ability to move into higher planes, but the ascendant gave him the root, and he then worked on his roots, worked on his worth, knew that he could do it, and reached stellar heights that we see happening from the Mula Nakshatra. Then, when we take up the case of Warren Buffett, as we know, is one of the masterminds, has been one of the richest people on this planet. And in his case, also, his ascendant is in Mula Nakshatra, and his Saturn, that is the second lord, is also in the Moola nakshatra. Now, very beautiful thing about Warren Buffett is right from a very young age, he knew that he had to earn money. Incidentally, when your second lord is on the first house, your values, your education, your money becomes important for you, your wealth becomes important for you, and this is Saturn, so it taught him by hard work. Warren Buffett always went for hard work. From a very young age he had been working, and by the time he was 14 he'd already had enough money to purchase a small plot of land. Further on in his life he gives instances where he has chosen to learn from others over work, to understand the worth of others, and incidentally that made him realize his own worth, what he was capable of, and where he could go. And that is the reason he learned so much from others. Again, learning your own worth and the worth of others to go to a place that has never been captured by anyone else. Finally, I take up the case of Chandrasekhar Sharma ji, a stellar astrologer who comes from a family of astrologers and has been studying astrology from the time when he didn't even realize that he was studying astrology. He was just probably 6 when he started reading books in Sanskrit for his father. His father was a very good astrologer and a doctor. And he also shared that though his father was a doctor, he knew that he did not want to study medicine and he wanted to study machines. So he took engineering and became very prosperous in that area and did a lot of hard work there. So we need to understand that when a person knows a worth, their worth, knows what they're capable of doing, is very humble. Again, in Chandrasekhar Sharma ji's case, he's a very humble person. He knows his worth, a very spiritual person, has plentiful, but is never on a level where he wants to show things up. So when you know your worth, when you know who you are, and then when you work on your basics, you reach a place where you are applauded by many, and yet you feel that you're a normal person. With this, keep a thought in mind that humility formula matters. Till we meet you again, just remember we have a course coming up in the 9 nakshatras from Mula to Revati. If you are interested, do write into us, or you can enroll directly through the website. Till we meet you again, stay tuned.